Hello everyone. Welcome to series of our thoughts on education. And today we invited Mr. Tejas Thakkar, who is the HOD at the Electrical and Communication Department of the Ahmedabad Institute of Technology. So, sir, thank you for accepting this invitation and being the guest of our series Thoughts on Education. Sir.
Thank you for inviting me for this session. Okay, my name is Tejas Thakkar. I am the head of Electronics and Communication Department
Right.
at Ahmedabad Institute of Technology.
Right. So interview start with our first question. Sir, you have held key position at education institutes throughout your professional career. So, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Okay, so basically, I was interested in teaching the students because this education sector is a very good sector for overall growth of the country. Because if students are getting good education, then our country will get the good engineers. Okay,
Right.
as a part of the engineering institute, so I can say good engineers are required for the overall growth of the country. So as a part of that, I can consider myself as a key part. I'm putting a key part into this sector so that student can get the good knowledge,
Right.
as well as I can be a part of that their career journey. Okay, so if I'll be a part of their good career, then I'll be very happy for that.
Really great, sir. So, my next question of this interview is: what do you see as a greatest strength of the Electrical and Communication Department of the Ahmedabad Institute of Technology?
Okay, so as we are discussing about the strength of the department,
Right.
so the thing is कि यहाँ पे students जो भी आते हैं, so theoretical knowledge is that because of the curriculum they need to go through the theoretical part. But with that also, we are also arranging some seminars and expert lectures and workshop, and that is coming. The experts are coming from the industries. Okay, so students come to know about the current scenario में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेक्टर में क्या चल रहा है.
Right.
Because the recent trends जो भी चल रहे हैं, based on that we are suppose अभी IoT चल रहा है, so we are encouraging the students to do the thing that is related to the IoT. So basic the Arduino boards are there, then ESP boards are there. So student we are having that boards with us so that in their project and also in the lab time they can come and they can get the Arduino boards, ESP boards, so that they can learn the boards so that suppose recent trend में जो भी चल रहा है तो उनको वो knowledge भी वहाँ पे update मिलता है.
Right, sir.
कि नए नए बोर्ड्स हैं उनको सीखने को मिल रहा है. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा ही बोर्ड होता है, इट डजंट कॉस्ट वेरी मच, बट वो बोर्ड का यूज करे को वो बहुत सारी चीजें वो सीख सकते हैं. बिकॉज थियरी इज दैट कि क्योंकि एग्जाम पास करना है देन यू रिक्वायर टू हैव अ नॉलेज अबाउट द थियोरी, बट विद दैट ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड.
Right.
ठीक है, अगर आपके पास सिर्फ थियोरिटिकल नॉलेज है तो इंडस्ट्री में कोई काम नहीं है उसका, बट विद दैट अगर आपके पास प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज है जो आपको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है in the real world, so that knowledge is also required. So we are also providing that part. और student को भी we are अगर वो लोग ट्रेनिंग के लिए कहीं पे भी जाना चाहते हैं, so कोई भी कंपनी में, then we are providing a NOC for that, so that real world में वो लोग जाएंगे वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग लेंगे तो उनको ये भी समझ में आएगा कि एक्चुअली वर्ल्ड में रियल वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है.
Right.
The theory that we are learning and how to implement that thing, so that they will come to know.
So it's really great you providing the platform for the students to not only study but explore the other field, like explore the practical field of that particular knowledge in the department of the electronics and communication. It's really great for the students and really helpful, sir.
Yeah.
Moving to next question, what are the advantage of taking admission in the EC branch, sir?
Okay, so as all know that right now the trend of EC is going down, or from 2-3 years it is like that. So I want to convey to the parents as well as the students that EC is the branch where you can have two opportunities. ठीक है, suppose right now we are all seeing that there is a trend towards the computer and IT branch. ठीक है, students and parents are thinking that computer and IT is in the trend. That is okay. बिकॉज पीपल आर थिंकिंग दैट कि कंप्यूटर आईटी में एडमिशन लेंगे तो एक कंप्यूटर एक इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है, देन वी कैन हैव आवर ओन कंपनी और वी कैन गेट द we can get to know the job as well as earnings based on that computer and internet. Okay, but the thing is कि EC branch में क्या है कि you are having a two path open. Suppose you are an EC engineer, then you can also get the job in the IT or MNC companies that is related with the computer IT branch. So if you see that TCS या फिर Infosys या Wipro कोई भी IT company ले लो, ठीक है, उनकी जॉब का जो भी प्रोफाइल होता है दे विल नीड कंप्यूटर आईटी इंजीनियर्स एज वेल एज ईसी ब्रांच इंजीनियर्स आर आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो दैट इज कि अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है कि कंप्यूटर आईटी में जाना है तो ऐसा नहीं कि ईसी में एडमिशन लेके आप कंप्यूटर आईटी ब्रांच में नहीं जा सकते. यू कैन गो इनटू दैट ब्रांच ऑल्सो, बट विद दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट टू नो दैट कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की कंपनी भी आपके लिए ओपन है, or the telecom sector it is also open for you,
right,
and hardware networking companies are also open for you, and once that is the requirement of that you can go with the MNC companies like computer IT companies also. So आपके लिए सभी रास्ते ओपन है अगर आप EC ब्रांच में लेते हो एडमिशन तो.
right.
So this is the case that I want to convey to the students as well as the parents कि आपको कंप्यूटर IT ब्रांच में जाना है क्योंकि सब लोग जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे. So that is not the case. Okay, so you can go into the IT or computer branch by going in by taking admission into EC branch also.
Right, sir.
So that is the thing I want to convey.
Right, sir. Okay, sir. So moving to our next and last question of this interview is any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Okay, so yes, I want to give a suggestions to the students that go with your interest.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं है कि सपोज कि सब लोग कंप्यूटर आईटी ब्रांच में या कोई भी स्पेसिफिक ब्रांच ले लो, अगर सब लोग वहां पे जा रहे हैं तो आपको भी वहां पे जाना है ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. ठीक है, सो आपका इंटरेस्ट जो भी है वो आपको चॉइस करना है. ठीक है, सपोज कि अभी ट्रेंड चल रहा है कंप्यूटर आईटी का तो सब लोग कंप्यूटर आईटी में जा रहे हैं, बट उसका खुद का इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है कंप्यूटर आईटी में, बट देन ऑल्सो ट्रेंड वहां पे एंड वहां पे चलो. सो दैट शुड नॉट बी द केस. अगर इंटरेस्ट आपका आप चूज करते हो, ठीक है, सो आगे जाके आपको भी वहां पे बोरिंग महसूस नहीं होगा. सपोज जब भी आप जॉब करोगे तब आप लोग यही सोचोगे कि चलो कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट वहां पे था बट मैंने अभी ये किया तो ये चल रहा है. ठीक है, इट शुड नॉट बी द केस. अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है कोई भी ब्रांच में, यू कैन टेक एनी ऑफ द ब्रांच, यू विल गेट द जॉब एंड आपका इंटरेस्ट होगा तो आपको भी काम करने में मजा आएगा वो ब्रांच में. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द मेन सजेशन आई वांट टू गिव टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स.
It's a really great answer you have given in this interview, and this will definitely give the idea currently pursuing the students as well as the aspiring students. So, what is the career path in the EC branch and at the AIT college? So, once again, I want to say, sir, thank you from my side and from College Dunya for accepting this invitation and being the guest of our series Thoughts on Education, sir.
Thank you to College Dunya for providing our point of view to the student as well as the parents and all the who are watching this video, so that whatever our point of view, it can be a wrong, it can be helpful to the students,
right,
those who are going to take admission or those who are in the engineering, so they can get to know some benefit from this, I hope. Okay, so
really great, sir. Thank
yes,
you, sir.
Thanks to